traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 9th, and this is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did end up breaking structure up today. So now we have our Fibonacci level from here to here, from the high to the low. I do think this is likely a way B up here. I do think that gold is likely to continue down overall. So I would be watching my Fibonacci levels very closely. We're going to definitely want to keep an eye out for like the 61%, maybe the 78%. If it makes its way up there, especially if it's some sort of a 1, 2, 3 pattern, up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels with a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely would still primarily be looking for shorts in a downtrend. I mean, overall, the very high time frames like the monthly, weekly, and daily are definitely in an uptrend. But when you're on more of the medium time frames, anything between like the daily down, the trend is definitely technically down with this breaker starter. So I think it's more likely it will most likely go down for a wave C of wave 4. So anyways, we do have a little bit of news tomorrow morning on the calendar. We got the average earnings for the pound, and we also have the climate count change for the pound first thing tomorrow morning. So should see some movements out of the pound pairs in the morning. Besides that, we got the governor in Canada speaking tomorrow afternoon. Anytime anybody talks, it could move the currency, so definitely keep an eye out for that. And not really much for the US dollar tomorrow, but we have a really big day Wednesday for the US dollar. We got CPI, inflation data. So, anyways, definitely don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.